So this is the US dollar Canadian dollar analysis for Monday, 11th of December. Now, let's have a look at where prices have gone and where they may likely go. So we had what appears to be a news catalyst just there. We've had a strong continuation up to all above this 28.40 essentially. We've had a push all the way up to the 28.80. We do appear to have capped out at 28.80. We've had a pullback from there. We do appear poised for more downside momentum. Overall, this trend is to the upside. So ultimately, we could see a retracement back down to 28.40, from which we're looking for a bullish buy side move, take us all the way above this to this 129. If we do have the continuation from 129, we don't see a sell off from this 129. We do hold this 129 again. We're looking to see our prices react to this 129.44. Now, if we do see a turnaround from where we are at present, so we do have a high there, potential lower there. We are looking to see prices head. We'll see how price react to the horizontal level at 28.40, but ultimately we're looking to see our price react all the way down here at 28.78. Below which we are looking to see our prices react to these 127.56 and 127. We'd expect 127 to be the far end of range depending on market volatility. And with that said, we have to be aware of the 200 to 400 period moving average, pretty close to this 127.78. They may act as a support in favor of a continuation of the bullish move to the upside. Now, we've mentioned levels to the upside and to the downside. So let's just have a look at the daily chart here before wrapping up. So if we head over to this daily chart, as you can see here, we're going to a bit of a consolidation on the US dollar Canadian dollar. We've got the upper end of the range being at 129. Lower end of the range is down here at 126.70 or so. As we can see, we are getting a bit of a reaction. So we did have a slight bias to the upside in light of a trend here on the daily chart. We did appear to be heading upwards to retrace this entire 200 pip bearish candle just there. So we did look poised, but what we might see in fact is a pullback before we do see that continuation up to 129 for a test. Testing 129 with such frequency, usually we'll see a break, so we have to be aware of a move towards that 129.44 and 130. So I think we've pretty much covered everything here in regards to the US dollar Canadian dollar. Yes, we have covered everything in regards to US dollar Canadian dollar. If I do miss anything, it's not a willful omission. And yeah, I'm just going to have a quick check. Just bear with me a second here. So I mentioned the 200, and if you look at daily, let's just see. So yeah. Yeah, that should cover everything. So that's all the analysis for the US dollar Canadian dollar. Thanks for watching.